Let's go. Oh. Happy New Year, everybody. 2023. Suppose we better get something done.
Right, so we're going to cut the boards first. Just done a bit of quick maths. The bed is 1700 wide from the inside to the inside of that end. We've got 8 boards, so they want to be 212.5 mil width. So we're going to go with 212. I've just put some pen marks just to prove the maths, basically. So I'm going to get some cutting. Got the tiniest little table saw in the world. I've picked the boards with no metal bands on the end of them to start with, see how we get on. Right, that didn't work quite as well as I'd hoped, but I've got a bit of a system now that kind of works. It's very loud woodwork. No, it's not safe. So I've set the thing up at an angle so I can push quite hard onto it, because I'm not really worried about what the edge actually looks like. It just needs to be smaller. Don't try this at home. That's it. After much woodworking, I did cut some of them the wrong side, so I had to plane them down. My fault. It fits, and I think that looks exactly perfect. There you go. That was hard work, but it's definitely worth it. I think that looks nice. So, another job ticked off. Only 4,365 more to go. Cheers, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps. You get motivated to make these videos. I'm going to try to do many more this year, so pretty happy with how it's going so far. Need to get the battery for the battery box still. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. Like and subscribe, put the little bell icon, and follow my Instagram as well. I'll put a link in the description and on my YouTube channel in the top right hand corner, so you can click on that and follow it, and yeah, see how I'm making some reels on there which people like. So yeah, just keeping everyone updated with what I'm doing. Cheers, see you soon.